Hi, in this video I am going to discuss how to implement the combinational circuits using multiplexer. Multiplex means many into one. It is a combinational circuit with many inputs and only one output. The multiplexer is also called data selector. It is a digital switch. It allows digital information from several sources to be routed onto a single output line. The basic multiplexer has several data input lines and a single output line. Then the selection of a particular input line is controlled by a set of selection lines. The selection lines are also called as select inputs or control inputs. This is a block diagram representation of multiplexer. Here we have 2 power n data input lines and n number of selection lines and single output. Then which input is directed to the output side is decided by the selection line combinations. 4 to 1 multiplexer. In a 4 to 1 multiplexer, there are 4 data input lines and 1 output line. So we need at least 2 selection lines to select any one of the 4 inputs to the output line. That means the data inputs are 2 power 2. And so 2 selection lines we needed. So this is the block diagram representation with the enable input and without enable input. This is without enable input and this is with enable input block diagram representations. The 4 inputs are considered as D0, D1, D2, D3 and the 2 selection lines are represented by S1, S0 and the single output, that is Y. So here in this enable combination, the one more input enable is applied here. This is the truth table of 4 to 1 multiplexer. The selection lines S0, S1 and the output Y. So the 2 inputs we can make 4 possible combinations are 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. So at 0, 0 input combinations, the input D0 is selected. The expression is represented as D0, S0 bar, S1 bar. And when the selection input lines are 0, 1 combinations, the input D1 is directed to the output side. So the output expression at this position is D1, S0 bar and S1. Now 1, 0 combinations, the output is D2. This time the logical expression is D2, S0 and S1 bar. Now selection inputs are 1, 1 combinations. The input D3 is selected. So the expression at this position is D3, S0, S1. So the final expression is the sum of all these combinations. This is the logical diagram for 4 to 1 multiplexer. The selection input S0 and S1 is given here and the data inputs D0, D1, D2 and D3 and the selection inputs on the uncomplemented form we can take it from this position and complemented form we can take it from this position. So the output expression at this AND gate is D0, S0, S1 bar. The second AND gate is D1, S0 bar, S1 and here D2, S0, S1 bar and this fourth AND gate is S3, S0, S1. Now we are adding all these combination by using one 4 input OR gate. So this is the logic diagram representation of 4 to 1 multiplexer. 8 to 1 multiplexer. In this multiplexer, we need 8 data input lines and only 1 output lines. The 8 data input is represented as 2 power 3. So, we need 3 selection lines. So, the 3 selection lines are represented as A, B, C and the data input 8 data inputs are represented as D0 to D7 and the single output is represented as Y. This is the block diagram representation of 8 to 1 multiplexer. This is the truth table of 8 to 1 multiplexer. The three inputs are considered as, three selection input lines are considered as A, B, C and the output Y. So 0, 0, 0 combination input D0 is selected. 0, 0, 1 combination input D1 is selected. Similarly, all the input data are selected based on the selection lines and 1, 1, 1 D7 is selected. Now the expression at this position is A bar, B bar, C bar and D0. This position the expression is A bar, B bar, C, D1. Here the expression is A bar, B, C bar, D2. Here A bar, B, C, D3. Here A, B bar, C bar, D4. Here A, B bar, C, D5. Here A, B, C bar, D6. Here A, B, C, D7. This way we can write the expressions for all the 8 outputs, and finally the output Y is equal to combination of all these outputs. This is the logic diagram for 8 to 1 multiplexer. The selection inputs are A, B, C and the 8 inputs D0, D1, D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6, D7 is represented here and the single output Y. And here at this position uncomplemented inputs are obtained and this position complemented inputs are obtained, that is here A, here A bar. Similarly, here this position we will get B, here B bar, here C, here C bar. So the expression at each AND gate is represented. Then finally all the AND gates outputs are ORed together with the OR gate. And here we will get the final output expression. This way we can implement, that means we can draw the logic diagram for 8 to 1 multiplexer. A multiplexer consists of a set of AND gates whose outputs are connected to single OR gate. Because of this construction, any Boolean function in SOP form can be easily realized using multiplexer. Each AND gate in the multiplexer represents a minterm. For example, in a 8 to 1 multiplexer, 3 selection lines are available. So 2 power 3 minterms are available in this multiplexer. So we can implement any Boolean function of n variables with 2 power n to 1 multiplexer. Suppose if n plus 1 variables are available, that case we will take selection line as n and the remaining single variable is used as the input for the multiplexer. So this way we can implement 2 power n minus 1 to 1 multiplexer combinations. Implement the 3 variable function f is equal to 0, 2, 4, 7 with a 4:1 multiplexer. Here the input variables are A, B, C. So here 4:1 multiplexer we need 2 selection lines. So B and C we are taken as an selection lines and the single variable A, that is A MSP is taken as the single variable and BC is considered as the selection lines. Now we want to find what is the input for the single variable A. For that we need to write, we need to make one table. Here we need, it's like a K-map. Here we need to write A bar A and here the variables, input variables I0, I1, I2, I3. And here we need to write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, we need to write the numbers like this. Now we need to circle the input minterms. So our input minterms are 0, 2, 4, 7. So I am circling 0, 2, 4, 7. Now we need to check here these two combinations. If 3 and 7 we are comparing, only the 7 is selected. So the equivalent, the input is A. So we are writing the answer is A. Here only 2 is selected, the equivalent input is A bar. So the A bar is written here. Here nothing is selected, so we are writing 0. Here both the inputs are selected. So A plus A bar is equal to 1. So we are writing 1 here. So now the input for I0 is 1, I1 is 0, I2 is A bar, I3 is A. So we are applying these single inputs to each input of the multiplexer. And writing the selection lines here, and this is enable input, this is optional, and the output Y. And so this way we can we can implement the Boolean functions. Now design F is equal to 0 to 4, 7 with 4:1 multiplexer. In this example, we are assuming a single variable as C, that is LSB beta single variable. So A and B is applied to the selection lines. So B is connected to S1 and A is connected to S0. Now the single variable is found out by using the same method. So C bar C is written here, and the inputs I0, I1, I2, I3 is written, and the 0. So for LSP side, if you are writing LSP side, the small difference is we need to write the numbers in this order: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So if you are taking LSB as a single variable, we need to follow these combinations. So here now we are circling the equivalent min term. So 6, 4, 2, 3 we are circled. So now we are comparing 6 and 7. Only 7 is grouped. The equivalent input is C. So we are writing C. Here 4 and 5, the equivalent input is C bar, so we are taken C bar. Here 2 and 3, input is C bar, so C bar is taken. Here 0, 1, input is C bar. So now I1, I2, I3, all these three inputs we have C bar is input, and I3 we have C is input. So we are we are applying these inputs to the multiplexer, and this is the way to design 4:1 multiplexer for the given Boolean functions. In this example, we are considering A is a single variable, that is MSB bit, and BC is applied to the selection lines. B is connected to S1, C is connected to S0. So we are writing the table A bar A single variable and 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 order. Now we are grouping the mean terms 3, 1, 3, 5, 6. So now we are comparing 3 and 7. The output is A bar. 2 and 6, the output is A. Here both the combinations are grouped, so A plus A bar is equal to 1. Now here nothing is grouped, so the output is 0. So the input for I0 is 0, I1 is 1, and I2 is A, and I3 is A bar. So we are applied all the inputs here. Here 5 volt is given instead of logic 1, and grounded for logic 0 input. So this is for logic 0 input, and this is for logic 1 input, and the selection lines are BC and the output F. Implement the function F is equal to 1356 using 4:1 multiplexer. Here C is taken as the single variable, that is the LSB side. So A is connected to S1 and B is connected to S0. Now C is a single variable, so the table is written like this: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here we are circled the min term 0, 3, 5, 6. Now we are writing the output variable. Here this cell is grouped, so writing the output expression as C. Here 3 is grouped, so the output expression is C. Here 5 is grouped, so the output expression is C. Now here 6 only grouped, the output expression is C bar. So we are giving C and C bar input to the multiplexer, and this is the selection lines, and here it's the output. Run the following 4 variable function using 8:1 multiplexer. So the 4 variables are A, B, C, D. We are considering the MSP is a single variable, that is A. So it's a 4 variable map. So 2 power 4 total 16 combinations are there. So the 16 combinations are written in the table 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And the inputs are I0, I1, I2, I3, I4, I5, I6, I7. And here the single variables are A bar and A. Now we are circling the corresponding minterms. So our minterms are 0, 1, 3, 4, 8, 9 and 15. Now we will see the output combination. So 7 and 15, only 15 is grouped. The corresponding input minterms is A. So A is an answer. Here nothing is grouped, so 0. Here also nothing is grouped, so 0. Here A bar is grouped, so answer is A bar. Here 3 is grouped, the corresponding inputs are A bar, so answer is A bar. Here nothing is grouped, 0. Here both the cells are grouping, so A plus A bar is equal to 1. Here also both the cells are grouped, so A plus A bar is equal to 1. So now the input for I0 is 1, I1 is 1, I2 is 0, I3 is A bar, I4 is A bar, I5 is 0, I6 is 0 and I7 is A. And this is the 8:1 multiplexer with input signals are applied and the BCD is in selection lines and A single variable. So B is connected to S2, C is connected to S1, D is connected to S0. Now the logic 1 is applied to I0, I1 and logic 0 is applied to I6, I5, I2 and the A is applied to I7 and A bar is applied to I3 and I4. So this is the multiplexer implementation. Implement the following 3 variable function using 8:1 multiplexer. So f is equal to 1356. So this is a 3 variable. We are already we implemented with 4:1 multiplexer. Now we are implementing with 8:1 multiplexer. So our minterms for logic 1 is 1356. So the remaining four minterms are considered as logic 1, that is 0 to 47 is considered as logic 0. So the 8 inputs we are applying for logic 0 and logic 1. So the logic 1s are 1, 3, 5, 6 and logic 0 inputs are 7, 7, 4, 2, 0 and the selection lines are A, B, C. Here the implementation table we are not used because it's a 3 variable input. So we are using 8:1 multiplexer. So the implementation table is not required. Directly we can implement with the multiplexer. Implement the following 4 variable boolean function using 4:1 multiplexer. So the input variables are 4. So to implement this function we require 8:1 multiplexer, but we are going to implement with 2 4:1 multiplexer. Here we are considering A is a single variable. So first we are substituting in the implementation table. So in the implementation table we are writing the inputs D0, D1, D2, D4, D5, D6, D7. Then writing our minterms here, circling our minterms. Then finding the output. For D7 nothing is grouped, so 0 output. D6 both are grouped, so A plus A bar is equal to 1, so 1 is the answer. Here nothing is grouped, so 0 answer. Here both are grouped, so 1 is the answer. Here nothing is grouped, 0 answer. Here only 2 is grouped. The corresponding inputs are A bar, so A bar is written here. Here both are grouped, so answer is 1. Here only the 0 is grouped, so corresponding input is A bar, so A bar is written. So similarly we found the input for the multiplexer first. This is the diagram representation for 4:1 multiplexer. Here the variables are 8. The input variables are 8, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. and the selection lines are true, that is S1 S0. It's common for both the selection lines. The selection line CD is given here, and B is act as an enable input. So when this is multiplexer 1 and this is multiplexer 2. Multiplexer 1 is activated when enable is 0 condition, and multiplexer 2 is activated when enable is 1 condition. And we are applying all the input to the corresponding multiplexer input. So for 1 is applied to 1, 4 and 5, 4, 5 and 7, and A is applied to 0, 2, and 0 is applied to 3, 5 and 7. Now for enable E is equal to 0 condition, B is equal to 0 for first 4 conditions. So when we are applying 0, we will get 1 here. At the same time, we will get 0 here. So this multiplexer 2 is off and multiplexer 1 is on for when B is equal to 0 condition. So for the first 4 combinations, the B act as an enable, active low enable, and for the second 4 combinations, B is act as an active high enable. So for the first 4 combinations, we will get output from this multiplexer 1, and the remaining 4 combinations we will get output from the multiplexer 2. Implement the following Boolean function using 8:1 multiplexer. The given input is given as an logical expressions. It's a SOP form. First we are going to convert into standard SOP form. So first term C is missing, so we are multiplying with C plus C bar. Second term B is missing, so we are multiplying with B plus B bar. And the third time A is missing, so we are multiplying with A plus A bar. And the third last term B is missing, so we are multiplying with B plus B bar. So now we are multiplying all the terms, then finally we will get standard SOP form. In standard SOP form, each min term contain all the 4 variables. This is the truth table representation. So for the corresponding min terms, we are writing as high output. So this is the 4 variables. So 16 combinations we made, 0 to 15. So these are our min terms, output min terms. So for the corresponding min terms, we are writing 1 for the output table. Now we are going to implement in the multiplexer. So first we are going to form the implementation table. The SOP terms, that is the min terms, we are circled in the implementation table. This is the 0 to 15 implementation table. Here we are taken A as a single variable. So the format is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So now we are circling the min terms. Then we will write the answer. So here only this is grouped, the equivalent input is A. Here this is A bar, this is A bar, this is A bar. Here both are grouped, so A plus A bar is equal to 1. Here nothing is grouped, 0. Here only this is grouped, equivalent input is A bar, so A bar is written. And here nothing is grouped, 0. So we are applied the corresponding inputs to the multiplexer, logic 0, logic 1, A and A bar we applied to the multiplexer. Here the selection input BCD is connected to the corresponding selection lines, and when the input D0 is selected, the output is logic 0, and D1 is selected, the output is A bar, and D2 is selected, the output is 0. Similarly, all the 8 outputs we will obtain from the multiplexer. Implement the following functions with don't care. The don't care combinations can be treated as either 0 or 1, and we are using A as a single variable. So the B, C, D, E are applied to the selection lines. So here we are circling our min terms as well as the don't care terms. Don't care terms considered as either 0 or 1. So here we will start the output expression. Here nothing is grouped 0. Here both are grouped 1, and here only this combination is grouped so A. Here only 12 is grouped so A. Then 3 and 11, 3 is and don't care. So here both are grouped. So answer is 1. Here 2 and 10, the answer is 1. So 1, 9, answer is 0. 0 and 8, answer is 1. This don't care combinations are used to reduce the expressions in KMAP. The same way here it's used to help, it's used to reduce the implementation table. So here we are getting in the input from the implementation table, and these inputs are applied to the multiplexer. All the inputs are applied to the multiplexer, and the selection lines are BCD. Implement the 4 variable Boolean function using 4:1 multiplexer. So the 4 input of the multiplexer is considered as D0, D1, D2, D3. And here we are writing as 0, 0, that is WX we are taking here. Two variables we are taken here. Still now we are assuming single variables. Now here two variables we are taken WX. It's an 4:1 multiplexer. The selection line should be 2. So YZ is an 2 selection lines. So here 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1 combinations are written for the two variable functions. Now we are circling the corresponding min terms. So for here D3, these three are circled. So for D3 we are writing the expressions for these three: W bar X, WX plus WX. So we are writing all the three expressions, then we are simplifying the expressions. Finally we will get W plus X. Then for D2, these two are grouped. So W bar X plus WX bar is equal to W exclusive X. Then for D1, this cell and this cell is taken. So the answer is X bar. Next for D0, this cell and this cell is taken. So the answer will be W exclusive Y. Now we are given the corresponding logic gates inputs to the multiplexer. So this is the way to implement 4:1 multiplexer for the 4 variable input conditions. Design a 3:1 multiplexer using 8:1 multiplexers having an active low enable input and a 2-4 decoder. And so the 2-4 decoder is used to select the multiplexers. So here 2-4 decoder, the inputs are S4, S3, and the S0, S1, S2 is selection lines. This selection line is common for all the 4:8:1 multiplexers, and finally all the multiplexer output is connected to an OR gate. So here first this decoder will decide which multiplexer has to selected to the output. So for when S3 S4 is 0 0, output will be Y0. So the Y0 is connected to multiplexer 1. So the multiplexer 1 is selected. Next 0 1 combination, the output will be Y1. So the second multiplexer is selected. For 1-0 combination, the output is Y2. So the third multiplexer is selected. Next 1-1 combination, the output is Y3. So the fourth multiplexer is selected. So like this we can design 32:1 multiplexer. Thank you.